Welcome to Italian Cards. Today we'll know 60 most common Italian words which is very useful for daily uses. So let's go. Io, I, io, I, tu, you, you, lui, he, lei, she, noi, we, voi, you, loro, they, essere, to be, avere, to have, fare, to do, dire, to say, andare, to go, dare, to give, stare, to stay, venire, to come, vedere, to see, trovare, to find, il, da, la, da, un, e, una, and, a, are, ma, but, per, for, con, with, senza, without, chi, who, che, what, quando, when, dove, where, perché, why, come, how, buono, good, cattivo, bad, grande, big, piccolo, small, bello, beautiful, brutto, ugly, sì, yes, no, No, no. Grazie, thank you. Grazie, thank you. Prego, you are welcome. Prego, you are welcome. Scusa, sorry or excuse me. Scusa, sorry or excuse me. Ciao, hello or bye. Ciao, hello or bye. Arrivederci, goodbye. Arrivederci, goodbye. Per favore, please. Per favore, please. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Oggi, today. Oggi, today. Domani, tomorrow. Domani, tomorrow. Ieri, yesterday. Ieri, yesterday. Sempre, always. Sempre, always. Mai, never. Mai, never. Uomo, man. Uomo, man. Donna, women. Donna, women. Amico, friend. Amico, friend. Casa, house. Casa, house. Tempo, time. Tempo, time. Giorno, day. Giorno, day. Notte, night. Notte, night. Acqua, water. Aqua, water. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.